Good morning, everyone. Myself, Kausar Mumin, 7th Standard, Subject Science, Chapter number 16 Natural Resources. In the last lecture, I have given you the notes of this chapter. Only two topics are remaining of this chapter that today I am discussing with you, and the topics are forest resources and ocean animals. So, topic number one is forest resources. To understand this topic, we should know about what is exactly forest. As we have discussed in geography also about forest area, now in this science also you have to go ahead with the forest. So, meaning of forest is definition of forest is an extensive area of land covered by a variety of plants is called a forest. What is the definition for forest? An extensive area of land covered by a variety of plants is called a forest. A forest is a natural habitat of plants, animals, and microbes. Here are the images of forest. You can observe here animals, forest, trees, microbes, all the things are present over here. So, this is the forest. About 30% of total land of the world is covered by forest. In overall world, 30% of land is covered by forest. Forests perform a certain specific protective and productive functions. So we can go ahead with protective first, then we will discuss about productive. How protective functions means what are the things? So point number 1 is to reduce velocity of water flowing over the land. Point number 2, to prevent soil erosion. Point number 3, to help percolation of water into the ground. Point number 4, to control floods. Point number 5, to reduce the rate of evaporation. Point number 6, to protect wildlife. Point number 7, to maintain the balance of atmospheric gases. Thus, forests help to improve and maintain the quality of the environment. Next are productive functions. Productive function means we are using plants for medical uses, medical treatment. So for such type of trees or plants are called as medicinal plants. So first plant is Adusa. Adusa's medicinal use for treatment is cough and cold. Next is Bell. Medicinal uses for diarrhea. Neem uses of medicine is fever and cold. Periwinkle is for cancer. Cinnamon is for diarrhea and nausea. Cinchona means we are using this plant for malaria, to stop malaria. Now, next topic is ocean resources. We have learned that oceans occupy a greater part of the world of the earth's surface than land does. Energy can be obtained on a large scale from oceans. Sea waves at high and low tide ocean currents are being used to generation of power. Whatever electricity is at home, that electricity is generated by this sea high and low tide ocean currents. Last year we have learned something about this in geography also. There are reserves of variety of natural resources in sea water at the bottom of the sea beneath the seabed too. These resources available from seas and oceans are called marine resources. You can observe here the marine resources. To remove the oil from the underground of water, peoples are going to beach of the seas for the enjoyment. All these are marine resources. this much you can observe here how much water is there. More than land, water is on their earth. You already studied in geography last year. Different kinds of aquatic animals present in it. Minerals and bioresources from ocean, which I have shown you in the video. Scientists believe that billions of tons of minerals are to be found dissolved in ocean water. Because this happens as per the study we got from water, lot of like billions of tons of minerals in the underground or underwater. So there are very large reserves of tin, chromium, phosphates, copper, zinc, iron, lead, manganese, sulfur, uranium, etc. In the ocean and seabeds, we get many types of gems, conches, shells, and pearls from the sea. Real pearls are even costlier than gold. There are large scale reserves of mineral oil and natural gas at the bottom of sea. We avail of these by drilling oil and gas wells. That before this, I have shown you the video. In that video, you must have seen a construction part was there and a lot of long pipes are there. So that is to drill oil from the underwater. You can observe here this diagram also. See. In India, the first mineral oil well, Sagar Samrat, was drilled in 1974. This is just an extra information for you, not part of your study. So, in 1974, at the oil field called Bombay High for obtaining mineral oil and natural gas from the bottom of the sea. The natural gas from this well is carried via pipeline to a place called Uran. So these two parts are there, mineral resources from ocean and bioresources from ocean. So this is a part of your homework. Please read and write. Thank you.